होने वाला है कंट्रीब्यूशन का, वो एक और बार हम बता देंगे आज, जैसे अभी दिखाएंगे। तो स्क्रीन अच्छे से दिख रही है ना सब लोगों को मेरी? किसी को इशू आ रहा है? मीट पे तो इशू नहीं आना चाहिए वैसे।
No, 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 no. There is no issue.
ठीक है। अभी जो तुम्हें स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, ये एक्चुअल में एक एग्जैक्ट कॉपी है हमारी जो मेन विंटर ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग का जो रेपो है, इसका एक एग्जैक्ट
उसकी
कॉपी मैंने कर रखा है ना। फॉक नहीं है ये। जब भी फॉक होगा तो तुम्हें दिखेगा कि कहाँ से फॉक्ड है। जैसे अगर मैं let's see, हाँ, जैसे अगर मैं इधर जाऊंगा तो ये देखो यहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा कि ये फॉग्ड है। फॉग्ड मतलब फॉग में आपको इश्यूज का और आपको मेन रिपोजिटरी वाले फंक्शन सारे नहीं मिलते हैं। सिर्फ वो आपको अपने काम के लिए आपको अपने काम के लिए दिया जाता है। तो मैंने इंपोर्ट कर रखा है वो प्रोजेक्ट, ताकि हम एग्जैक्ट जैसा काम कर सके चाहते हैं हम वैसा कर सकें उसमें, कि एग्जैक्ट हम इश्यूज रह सके, हम एक्शंस बना सकते हैं अपने तरीके से ज़्यादा कंट्रोल्स के साथ, और तुम एग्जैक्ट एक्सपीरियंस कर सको कंट्रीब्यूशन का। तो ये हमारा मेन, मैं एक बार लिंक शेयर कर देता हूँ ताकि तुम लोग साथ साथ में कर सको। लिंक चैट बॉक्स पर है और मैं डिस्कॉर्ड में भेज दे रहा हूँ।
like I would request everybody ना तो just go with parallel like what we are just like showing, तो उससे एक आपको आइडिया होगा कि how the things are gonna work.
हाँ, अगर आप साथ साथ में करोगे तो कुछ भी अचानक से डाउट आया, देन यू कैन जस्ट आस्क, स्टॉप मी एंड आस्क एट दैट मोमेंट ओनली। तो ये सही रहेगा। इवन आई वाजंट प्रेजेंट, भाई मैटर नहीं करता है, आज का बिल्कुल अलग सेशन है। तो
So Akash, do we need to fork this demo
हाँ,
repository or?
अभी के लिए फोकस कर लो, है ना। अभी मैं बता दे रहा हूँ, एक पूरा स्टेप्स में बता रहा हूँ कि आपको कैसे कैसे करना है, फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ अ एकदम कंट्रीब्यूटर के हिसाब से। तो स्टार्टिंग ऐसे मेरे को तो फॉक करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा एक खुद का प्रोजेक्ट है यहाँ पर। बट आप लोगों को पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, आप लोगों को फॉक करना पड़ेगा इसको। ठीक है। अ, जैसे ही आप लोग फॉक करोगे, लेट्स से यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ फॉक। ठीक है, आपने फॉक किया, मेरे को ऑप्शन ये है कि मेरा खुद का प्रोजेक्ट है। आप फॉक में जाओगे एंड एक मिनट मैं दिखाता हूँ, जब आप फॉक करोगे तो आपको कैसा दिखेगा। मैं वो डिलीट कर देता हूँ। विंटर ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग। ये जो है ये गर्ल स्क्रिप्ट की मेन रेपो है। ठीक है, वैसी सेम दिखेगी आपको मेरी रेपो भी, कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं दिखेगा। बस अभी क्योंकि मैं दिखा रहा हूँ फॉक कैसे करना है आपको बेसिक। तो आप मान लो आपने मेरा रेपो खोल के रखा है, मैं उनका खोल के रखा हूँ अभी, और कुछ अलग डिफरेंस नहीं है। फॉक पे क्लिक किया, अगर आपका नाम नहीं आ रहा है, जैसे मेरे यहाँ पे 2 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं, तो इसलिए मेरे को ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं कि मेरे को किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में करना है। अगर आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ नहीं हो तो आपका किसी और का कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं आएगा, सीधा अपने नाम पे क्लिक
Like
करो।
you can use your personal account to fork the repo.
हाँ, पर्सनल अकाउंट ठीक है, अपने मान लो। तो आपका ये फोक होके आ जाएगा। ठीक है, अब क्या करना है, जैसे अभी आपके पास आ गया है। अब गिटहब का अकाउंट कोई है जिसका गिटहब का अकाउंट नहीं है? कोई ये बता दो पहले। ये बता दिया ऐसे गर्वित ने लास्ट टाइम, मैंने भी बता दिया था पहले। गिटहब का अकाउंट नहीं है किसी का, कोई है ऐसा?
एक बार आप लिंक भेज सकते हो दोबारा?
Yeah, 1 minute, I'm sharing the link again.
या
अरे वो भेज दिया मैंने, वहीं पे चैट बॉक्स पर ही है। और मैंने वहां पर भी भेज दिया है मोस्ट प्रोबेबली।
Discord पे.
हाँ, अलीशा, आपका आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है। आई डोंट थिंक कि आप ब्रेक होगी, क्योंकि अभी तो मैं फोन से कनेक्ट हूँ। देयर इज नो रीजन टू ब्रेक एनीथिंग।
No, your voice is okay.
No, no, it's fine now.
या
Sorry.
नो इट्स फाइन। ठीक है, तो इस पे आपने फॉक कर लिया लेट्स से। अभी क्या करना है, आप यहाँ पर जाओगे। जैसे विंटर ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग, मैंने आप विंटर ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग भी फॉक कर सकते हो, मैं उसके लिए दिखा देता हूँ। चलो, इश्यूज के टाइम जब आएगा तब अलग कर लेंगे, अभी विंटर ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग का ही देख लेते हैं। तो विंटर ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग आप फॉक कर सकते हो, सेम जैसे आपने अभी किया, विंटर ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग को भी फॉक कर लो, जो मेन गर्ल स्क्रिप्ट का रेपो है। जो ये रेपो होगा, मैं इसका लिंक भेज दे रहा हूँ, आप ये रेपो भी फॉक कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मेन काम जो होगा इसी रेपो में होगा, आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन का। कुछ भी डाउट है आराम से माइक ऑन करके बोल देना या फिर चैट पे लिख देना। और अगर फॉक कर लिया तो +1 लिख देना चैट में, जितने लोगों ने फॉक कर लिया। ये रेपो अभी जिस पेज पर हूँ मैं, एक बार फॉक करना, अरे फॉक पे क्लिक कीजिए आप, और आपका जो नाम आएगा अपने नाम पे क्लिक कर दीजिए, फॉक हो जाएगा। प्लीज रिकॉर्ड रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं अपने प्रणय भाई, आई थिंक रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे यार, है ना? थैंक्स भाई, प्लीज। और ठीक है, तो अच्छा 1 मिनट 2 मिनट रुक जाते हैं, बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं, 70 लोग हैं आज, आज सब फ्री हैं। फॉक हो गया। जो नए आए हैं, मैं एक और बार लिंक भेज दे रहा हूँ, आप इस लिंक पे जाइए, इस रेपो को फॉक कर लीजिए, और फॉक करने के बाद जैसे आप फॉक करेंगे तो आप पहुंच जाएंगे ऐसे एक पेज में, जहां पर एक्मो की जगह आपका आपका यूजर नेम दिखेगा, ठीक है? अब यहाँ पर क्या, अभी आपका रेपो फॉक हो गया। फॉक का मतलब उस जो आपका मेन रेपो है, जो हमारा गर्ल स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग है, रेपो का मतलब एक फोल्डर होता है और उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है अभी के लिए, इतना समझो। रेपो का मतलब एक फोल्डर है, सिंपल। उसको आपने उसका एक कॉपी बना लिया अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए। अब आपके पर्सनल यूज का प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि आप पर्सनल यूज पे किसी और उसके, क्योंकि आपका वो पर्सनल यूज है, मेन तो आपका रेपो है नहीं, वो है तो किसी और का काम। तो अब किसी और का काम अगर आप चुरा तो सकते नहीं हो, तो वो क्या बोलते हैं, आप इश्यूज मत रखो, आपको जो भी आपसे उसको अपने काम के लिए यूज करो। तो बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज हटा देते हैं आपके कॉपी से। जैसे यहाँ पर आप देखोगे आपको इश्यूज का टैब नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि इश्यूज किसके होंगे, इश्यूज तो मेन प्रोजेक्ट के होंगे ना, आपने तो कॉपी किया है, आपके में क्यों होना चाहिए। बस ये इतना कंसेप्ट है इसका कि फॉक
Hey,
फॉक
Akash,
करने पर एक कॉपी बन जा रहा है। हाँ हाँ
I
बोलो।
forked both, like one of the demo one,
हाँ, वो
and
बाद में एक और भेज
I'm
दूंगा मैं।
okay.
अच्छा
No,
डेमो।
I was saying that I am cloning it on my desktop. So should I?
Yeah,
अच्छा
yeah,
आप
yeah.
डेस्कटॉप
You
पर,
may
हाँ हाँ।
proceed with the cloning with the desktop, but like, see, here we are covering everything from scratch. We will be moving that how to clone your forked report to your desktop. So we
हाँ
will be covering each and every point. Like, first of all, we are starting with the basic stuff. Like, we need to include everybody's perspective, na?
Yeah. Okay. No worries.
ठीक है, एक और मिनट, एक और प्रेजेंटेशन मांगेगी मेरे को, अपनी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करनी पड़ेगी पूरी।
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया।
हाँ हाँ बोलो।
भैया मैं इस रिपोजिटरी को फॉक कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे में एरर दिखा रहा है, यू कैन नॉट फॉक दिस रिपोजिटरी एंड यू आर नॉट द एज यू आर नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
आप वो कर सकते हो क्या, एक बार स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो अपना, जयदीप अभी?
कर रहा भैया, एक सेकेंड।
भैया मत बोलो, आकाश बोल यार।
Like, we have a doubt. Could you please continue in English? Few of us doesn't know Hindi as well. Yeah, sure.
या
Why not?
ऑल राइट, श्योर श्योर श्योर।
भैया आकाश, like say I am going to this repository or like first I am
इट
going
है,
on।
या यू हैड ऑलरेडी फॉग्ड, आई कैन सी दैट
भैया
इन
लाइक
योर।
इसमें सीसीपी वगैरह आ रहा है, मेरे में तो लाइक ये सीसीपी कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा है।
If you see, there is a line written, this branch is 91 commits behind curl script main, right? So you had forked the repo a few times, I mean earlier also, I think you had forked it quite earlier.
मैं इसको एक बार पहले भी एक बार
Yeah,
कर चुका हूँ।
so
Yeah,
what?
that is the issue. Like your branches, your forked repo is like 91 commits behind, na? So for that you need to
Just
make a
click fetch
pull
upstream.
request,
Just click fetch
fetch
upstream.
upstream.
It
Yeah,
would resolve the issues.
फैच
Fetch
एंड
and merge.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Fetch and merge. Cool.
या
Now
गॉट
see, you got the stuffs.
ओके, थैंक यू भैया।
yeah. Uh, yeah, sure. We will continue in English only. All right, just a second. So I can't use dual window.
Akash, will we be talking about the GitHub and the use of GitHub, like all of these steps only today, or like we'll be talking about the issues part also?
Yeah, everything will be covering, like today, from
Everything will be
basic to
covered.
everything will be
Just a
covered,
second.
like how you will be dealing with the issues and how the issues will be provided to you, everything.
Okay, okay, cool.
Like guys, tell me one thing, like till the time Akash has put on break, like how many of you are familiar with Google Colab, like working on a Google Colab, or has a prior experience that how to do the contribution via Google Colab file? Yes,
No
maybe.
experience.
Yeah, just a minute. I'm actually facing some permissions issues. Google Colab. All right. Google Colab is usually used for ML data science. I think that part, but yeah. Just wait, guys. I'm connecting again.
No, like mostly no. Okay.
Yeah, I think my task is visible now. So, you might guys have arrived at this exact page. From here, how many of you are in Windows? Can someone just let me know? Is anyone on Linux? Because I mean, are you using me? All right, a lot of you are Windows. Have you guys installed Git? Git for Windows?
Yeah.
Yep. Yes. 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 Git for Windows. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Then a lot of things become easy.
Like,
So,
I think everybody has a
yeah.
Windows only.
हेलो हेलो, क्या I ask something?
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
Sandeep.
वो एक्चुअली मेरा विंडोज में ना ऑलरेडी गिट है, मगर वो मेरा मैक में अभी यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो उसमें ना गिट इंस्टॉल कर रहा था, तो उसमें बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम आ रहे थे. मतलब इज देयर
Like
एनी
what
सॉल्यूशन?
what 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 you are installing, like Git Bash terminal?
या गिट बेस.
Okay.
लाइक विंडोज में तो हो
Isn't
गया.
Git already comes pre-integrated with Mac?
नो आई डोंट थिंक सो. लाइक
No. Git is not
गिट इज
installed with.
नॉट.
I think just when Brew install Git or something like that, it should install. There would be packages for Mac, I believe, but like if you're in Linux, just install
Yeah, I tried
apt sudo
using
apt install.
terminal, but it didn't install properly.
Yeah, so I don't think we can help on this. I mean, let's figure it out after the session. Yeah,
Okay,
because
okay,
then
thank you.
others' time will also be
Yeah,
wasted.
I can understand. Okay, okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
So what you are required to do is that you are required to copy this SSH, the URL that we are getting, right? You are required to copy this and go to the project where you want to copy the folder in your local. Uh, right now I have opened terminal. You guys can use Git Bash or Git for Windows or anything that you use.
Or you can use PowerShell if you are having Windows now. You can use PowerShell.
Yeah, that also works. So like I have written git clone and then the URL that I had copied. What it would do is it would it would clone the repository of your fork. All right, it would clone your fork to your local. Local means your system, your physical system that you have. We will cover
Excuse me,
the
Bhaiya.
yeah.
Can you please repeat the step that what we are doing is from that the copying that SSH link?
Yeah, you went here, code, copy this link you have, all right, whole link, contributing.get, then open your terminal, PowerShell, or anything that you use for Git, and then write git clone. I believe my screen is visible clearly.
Like I am using
Yes,
that
sir.
git bash. Can I do it in git bash only?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah. You may carry on, but before you need to, like, if you are continuing with the git bash terminal, now you need to set your account as a global, like git user, your username, git email, your email, and set it as global. Then only
Um,
it's gonna work.
Garvit, can you just copy paste those commands in chat? Because I think a lot of
Yeah,
users might face it. I think it's git config, right? Git config
yeah,
email
yeah.
and
For
git config username.
git config user.
Yeah.
Also,
Okay,
like, do we
Akash.
have to clone the demo or main?
Yeah,
Uh,
right now, just fork main. When we would creating issues and stuff like that, then we would be using demo. Yeah, someone else
Hello?
was also asking
Hello,
something.
Akash. Yeah, I was saying that like for SSH, I think we need to create one ID, key ID from our machine.
I believe,
Yeah, and but
the
probably
thing
most
is,
of the people here, I don't feel they must have enabled
all
SSH.
right. Yeah, I get it, I get it.
Yeah.
The
So
SSH key, a private public key pair that you are required to insert into GitHub.
no,
Uh,
I have enabled for my machine. I was
I believe if you have
yeah.
Git in your
Like,
system
see,
pre-installed, then you would have.
guys,
Yeah,
if you are like having a problem, or I guess if you are new to the git, no, I what I would suggest is, like, you must go with the git desktop version.
yeah, that also.
Excuse me, bhaiya. Can I once share my screen?
Yeah, just wait a minute.
We can clone using HTTPS also.
Yeah, you can clone using HTTPS, but then I think, yeah, you can clone using HTTPS and that would also be
Like
fine.
bhaiya, I've written this git clone.
Acha, in my system it is showing that permission denied, like bracket a public key.
Yeah, just use HTTPS in that case. Use
Bhaiya,
HTTPS in that case.
bhaiya, see like this.
Can
I
you
have
show us
written
how to
git
use HTTPS?
git clone
When,
and I have copy pasted this URL, so I have got this.
yeah, it is fine. Exactly. It is what we
So
require.
means now it is done with that you were asking to do.
Yeah, but I mean, the thing is, do you know where it had copied?
To be honest, no.
Yeah, so just do a thing. Like, do you know how to open PowerShell inside any folder, inside any disk?
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
press Shift,
shift
press
plus right
Shift.
click.
And then run this command there.
Okay, bhaiya.
Yeah,
So I create a folder and there I should do this.
Just wherever you like. It doesn't matter. Just you should remember at least that where the folder you have created.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you please stop presenting so that I can show the HTTPS link here?
Yeah, sure, bhaiya.
Yeah, guys. Like if you are facing that issues that you do not have, integrated with SSH keys, so just go to HTTPS. Click this link here. Now, what is the difference between SSH and HTTPS? SSH stands for Secure Shell Host. So what it creates a tunnel, you can say a secure tunnel, and then you do not have to every time write your user ID and password to verify that it is you who is trying to push the code to upstream. Right now, I think as a lot of you guys have not set SSH, I would also be going with HTTPS only. So, right, what I would do is I would remove this clone. You guys can continue with that SSH also. It would, I think, just at the last step where you would be required to enter your email ID and password, you would not require that step if you use SSH. So yeah, I use git clone and then I get this message, right? You guys also would be getting this message.
Yes.
Yeah, now it's work.
Yeah. I would send a link in the GitHub. Is it specific to a system or specific to every repo? It is specific to your system and your GitHub account. Like for my laptop, I would have a different SSH key. If I am using another device, or not just for laptop, it would also be used for your operating system specific. Like there is a different SSH key for my Windows and a different SSH key for my Unix Linux system, right? Jaideep, can you just mute yourself? Yeah. So uh, have you all been able to reach this step here?
Yes, bhaiya.
Yeah. So what you would see is we would have a repository named Winter of Contributing here, right? And if I just, yeah, so we would see these contents inside the folder. Now, all right, how many of you know the concept of branches here? Branches, concept of Git branches.
Me.
Uh, and how many of you don't know the concept of Git branches? I guess we are
I
going to
guess
have a lot.
nobody is familiar with that
Yeah, yeah,
except few.
yeah. So what our branches are technically are. Am I too boring that a lot of you guys are leaving? All right. Let's don't see that. So what branches are technically? I will just show you a good pictorial image. Get branches. Yeah. So what? It would be a good. Yeah. This seems. Yeah. This is also fine. So what we can see is that here we have a master branch. What a branch technically is, it is just if I, how can I better explain a branch? Garvit, in what way can you explain branches in words? Because it's like you
See,
know what it is, but it's hard to explain. Yeah.
like, see, basically, when we are working with any organization or any bigger project, like we have a master branch where the entire project commits are situated, like everything is found in the master branch only. And multiple peoples are working on a same project, like I am contributing for the same thing, and Akshay is also contributing on the same thing, Akash and Deep, everybody is contributing on the same thing. So when we are ready with our code, then we just commit our code not just directly to the master branch, we create our own branch so that it does not create any mix up. Like 5 to 10 people are working on the same thing, like I am also working with the thread and 5 people are also working with the thread, then whose thread is gonna better, that is decided by the organization mentor or supervisor who is just like leading the organization. So it is required that you create your own branch so that the things does not get messed up. And once your branch code is good, then your branch is merged into the master branch. So this is basically the short and simple concept of branches.
Yeah. Does anyone have any doubts regarding branches?
No, no, got it.
No. All right. So what we can see here in our main repository, there are a bunch of. If you click the main here, you can see the branch icon here. It is a branch icon. You see there are a lot of different branches, right? What we are interested in is a Java branch. So if I go to Java branch here in GitHub, what I can see is that these are the folders that they have made for the Java, right? Similarly, I can do the exact same thing on my local also. How? I would just type command git checkout Java. So now I have switched from my main branch to my Java branch. You would also see the difference of contents here. You can see there is a Java right now here. It is the contents have changed. If I just show you once again, get checkout master. Oh, so it's main, right?
Checkout main.
Yeah. These are the contents of the main branch, and these are the contents of the Java branch. Uh, so whatever we are going to contribute, what we have to do is, let's say, let me just open a roadmap once.
Bhaiya, I'm not getting the Java folder.
You are required to change the branch. Have you changed the branch?
Where I need to go by once, can you tell me?
Just open your, I mean, command prompt, let's say, or PowerShell or Git Bash anything, and type git checkout Java. What it would do is it would change your branch from main to Java. Is it fine?
Yeah, once I'm going through, Bhaiya. Can you once again show the command? Check out,
Git the branch
check
of
out.
name of the branch. So here we want to go to Java branch, so we have written Java. Shraddha, are you trying to speak something?
No, by mistake. I turned it on.
All right, no worries. Jadip, हो गया? All right, so we can see that we have
भैया नहीं आ रहा है या मेरे में भी यही एरर आ रहा है नॉट अ गिट रिपोजिटरी
Capital Z.
Yeah, the
wait,
simple.
no, I have understood the problem. You guys have not opened the repository. You guys in the main repository has changed to repository to winter of contributing. CD winter of contributing, not demo. Right now we are using winter of yeah, demo seems fine. No worries. Both works exactly same. Both are exact clone of each other.
Yeah, bhaiya, got it, but I got the error. I was just doing that the folder out of that winter
Yeah,
script. Now
yeah,
when I went into that, I got that Java one.
yeah. So I guess no more issues right now. Just seeing. Let me see message once. CD fatal not a. So Jana, is it fixed now?
Yeah, I'm just going to the folders and trying it again.
Yeah, you can just write CD in Linux and dir in Windows if you are using
Okay.
command prompt. All right. So what we can see that history of Java is a major folder, right? So what I'm going to do is if I had been assigned need of Java, let's say, and if I go into the Java folder, I see that there is no folder named with history of Java. So I would just simply create a folder named history of Java, and then uh, what I am required to do is that open a new Google Colab. Google Colab. Yeah, and then whatever I want to write here, I can write here at this point. All right, this is history of Java and whatever I have been assigned,
Yeah, we
like need
would be
of Java.
doing all the work in this collab only.
Yeah, yeah, we were doing all our works in Colab only. And let's say that Java was introduced to facilitate the networking systems at that time because different systems, the C and C++ codes are interpreted in a different way in different systems. This was a need of Java at that time, right? So we write this thing and then we say I save this file and do save a let's download IPNYB, right? And I'm saving this file. I just go to the location where file is located, copy this file and paste to my history of Java folder. Is it clear till this point? I have just downloaded the file. Java did not match any files known to get. J is capital. Be a bit careful.
Akash, could you just like, redirect me from where did you open the Java README file in GitHub?
Can you just repeat that? Java README file? I had not opened Java
Uh,
README file.
मतलब
Yeah, you,
Java folder. Like I am able to find it over my desktop, but as I open, it opens a README file where everything is empty. only
Yeah, then you have to create. I told now that you have to create.
okay.
Let's say if you had been assigned need for Java issue, right? Then if history of Java folder is not there, you are, let's say, or you have started recently and you have been assigned character. You have been assigned to write something about character, and the type wrapper folder is not present. Just create that folder here, right? Create a folder inside
Okay.
Java, and then add whatever your work inside that folder. If the folder is already
So like
present,
if the topic is history of Java, and then we need to create a subfolder in that portion only regarding the topic like why, need of Java, right?
yeah, then even if history of Java is already present, right? Folder history of Java is already present, and
Mm.
there we only have to include the IPNYB file, the Google Colab file.
And bhaiya, how to
Okay.
create the folder if folder is not created?
Just write new folder. In Windows,
No,
you would
like this, or we would go from that git bash or that
in git
command.
bash you can write mkdir name of folder.
mkdir and name of the folder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Akash, I'm sorry to
So
interrupt you in between. Can I ask something?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
So, like, we are using Google Colab. Is it necessary to use Google Colab? Because at the end, we have to
Uh,
make a Markdown file only.
yeah,
Yeah,
but
see, you are having a genuine issue. Like when I saw their documentation, but they are asking only the things in the Google Colab only. Like Google Colab is something similar to Anaconda. Like if
okay.
anybody has a prior experience with the Python, so they there will be knowing that ki how Anaconda works and how we are just writing the things in the Markdown. So I was
Actually,
also
Google Colab file is also a bit more than Markdown. If you see, you can attach contents here. That is why they have more preferred this. They have directly attached contents here. You
Okay,
can
okay.
attach images. So this is the reason they have preferred Google Colab.
No,
so
no, I
bhaiya
got the
the
doubt of Abhinandan that he was just asking ki if we are only willing to make a markdown, then why can't we use readme.md files? No.
Yes. We can use any editor for that.
Yeah. That's that only, man. You are on the yeah, you are thinking right, but we can't do anything. It's just like they are having it in their documentation and code of conduct. So we need to
Okay,
follow.
okay, okay.
bhaiya, like the any of the changes that we are making in that our folder would I guess would automatically be to directed that GitHub repo, or we need to sync
Just
them.
wait, just wait for that part. All right. So I believe everyone has reached and is with me at this point, right? Is there anyone who has been not been able to reach this point? Make sure that you have added a file inside the history of Java folder. Yeah. All right.
So in my case, it is showing that Java did not match any files known to Git.
Is it J capital?
Yes, J capital.
Um, Type git
Like,
status in the command prompt. Sandeep, type git status in the command prompt or
It is showing
whatever.
the string not in PWD Git.
Are you inside
yeah,
the?
we can include video file in Google Colab also. Like you need to upload your file in the drive, then from there you need to attach, or you can attach that file in Google Colab notebook.
Yeah, Sandeep, are you inside the repo? Your git
Yes, I am
bash?
inside. Can I
Then
share
one.
my screen?
Yeah, just wait a second. Just wait a second. Sandeep, you can present your screen now.
Bhaiya,
Yeah.
Bhaiya, can you paste all the commands which you have written in the terminal?
Yeah.
I'm a bit
So
behind, so I will cope with that meanwhile.
yeah. No worries, no worries. I am writing everything. It's not. Can you just show it again? Your branches. Yeah, and then change to get to that. Git checkout.
Git checkout Java.
Yeah,
This one?
yeah, yeah. It
Yeah,
has
now
changed now.
it's worked. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you.
Look
Thank you.
ahead. You have written Java in small. Look at top.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. All right. To change branch to clone. Just wait a second. I'm writing all the commands. If I'm writing something in capital, then this means that it will vary according to your specific system, right? Like I have written here, get repo URL. Repo URL means the URL of the your fork. I hope everyone gets that. Can tell what we have to do after checkout. Yeah, after checkout, you are required to create a new Google Colab file and then download the Google Colab file and paste it inside the history of Java folder. Clear? All right. So now at this point, after you had added the files, if I write get status, I will get an output. You would also get an output exact similar like this. Exact. It would not vary depending on your system or
Bhaiya,
anything,
you
right?
have not
Akash,
updated the
You are not
your
sharing
screen
your
is
screen.
not.
Yeah.
Your screen is not visible,
Yes.
Akash. You
Oh,
forgot to
I
share
mean,
your
you are
screen.
not sharing your screen.
Yeah. Should we save the .pynb in section 1? Yeah, just save the pynb file and download it. All right. So after you type get status, you would get an exact similar output, right? You would see that there are, we can see that in
Rohan,
this
we will
Java,
be looking into it. Like we will be looking into it. Like if we can do the contribution via MD files.
MD. Yeah, MD file seems good actually. If you, unless it is inside GitHub only. GitHub does a lot of markdown on MD file. All right. So
Bhaiya, I'm not getting the exact same. I'm getting in the last line. After pasting that IPYNB file, I'm getting nothing to commit working tree clean.
have you pasted inside the history folder?
Yes, Bhaiya. Can I show you once again?
What I think now, ki first we must finish
Yeah,
everything. Then thereon we might start with the doubt. Like if we are just like solving the problem each and every one of us. Like Jadip, don't take it in another way. Like we need to have a time constraint also.
yeah.
Yeah, okay, no problem, Bhaiya.
So once you get at this stage, so what it shows me now right now that I have created a new history.java folder that is not being tracked. Now what is track? Tracking means the GitHub is looking, the GitHub knows that a file exists, but it would not include any of your change when you commit. Now what is commit? Commit, I mean, commit all in its own sense, give its meaning. Commit is I am making sure that all of these changes I have done are correct up to best of my knowledge, and I am ready to include these changes to my branch, right? So right now these are not tracked. These files are not tracked. I tried making directory. Yeah, just wait. Garvit, can you just look in the messages?
Yeah, I'm looking that only.
Yeah, I think there would be some changes. I mean, Windows, Linux, different changes. Make the after make the you are required to enter the name of the folder. Yeah. So right now, all right, I have it get clearly shows that my files are present at least now. Well and good. I would like to track this file now. I would like the GitHub get actually that please track my changes and know that I have been doing this. So I would write command get add and then dot. Dot means every file, each and every file specified inside my repository, inside my current folder where I'm working from. Right now I'm working in the Winter of Contributing folder, main folder. So it is tracking all the different changes inside Winter of Contributing folder. Now if I get status, I would see something like this. That all right, in the history of Java folder, there is an untitled.ipyb IPYNB file, right? We have to create history of folder.
Akash,
Yeah,
yeah, if there are like 5 files and I want to just add about 3 files, can we just
yeah.
in one single
Let's
command,
say,
can we?
yeah. Wait, let's say I create a new file, right? Um, let's say I write a new file known as new file dot IPYNB. Yeah. So here I can see that inside in the Java folder. All right, there seems to be some issue. Yeah, inside the history of Java folder, there is a new file IPYNB. Now, if I want to track only this specific file, I can simply add git add the location of the file and the name of the file. Good.
If I want to track multiple files, like there are 5 files and
Yeah.
I just want to track three
Then you
files
have
only.
to add one by one.
Add one by one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. You can add an entire folder, but you cannot add individual files. You are required to tell Git you need to add this and this files. Yeah. So right now I have tracked that file also, the new file. You guys can also make it, but it doesn't matter if we're tracking that new file or not. So I have now tracked the new file. Now what my next step should be is to commit my changes. And how can I commit my changes? I would write git commit tag m. Tag m means after this I'm going to write a message. Now git add dot works fine if you want to add all the files, right? Git commit tag m. Now after this I'm going to write the message. So my message would be committing uh, need of wait need of Java collab file. Not committing, let's say it's better to write adding need of Java collab file, right? Write this command and then press enter. Now our changes have been committed to our Java branch, to a fork of Java, right? Um, you can do this by creating your own branch also. Can use git.ignore to ignore tracking of some specific. Yeah, you can obviously use git.ignore, but is there? I mean, how can you ignore IPYNB files when you are required to track those files only? You can ignore files like what we say that build process files and testing files. We usually ignore those files using git.ignore. Yeah. Does anyone have any issues to that point? If it's going too complex, then no worries. Just
like guys, see, if you are like having any issues or you are not familiar with the command wala thing, like if you are just like looking at the new stuff like what is git commit, git add, if you are not getting that, then just let us know, like we are having an alternate way.
IPNY, these files just contain whatever content you want to add, right? Like I have written here. Why I'm not getting sound
Akash,
of
if
this?
you once tell that alternate way, that would be better, I guess, because though I am able to do through this way also, but yeah, if there would be like
Yeah,
an
all
alternate
right,
way,
all right, all right.
directly going to
Yeah,
repository or uploading some files.
yeah. There are
Rohit
alternate ways
and
also.
Akash, if you guys don't mind, could you just add a README file in the like the main repository of the demo class?
Yeah.
Like
Actually,
so that
what?
those who know
Yeah.
they can
Jitendra,
just yeah.
what my aim is right now is to first familiarize all you guys with this, and then I have created my demo repo. Remember?
Hmm.
So what at that time I would do, I would request Garvit to create a pull request. All right, for that to my demo repo.
Okay.
so that I can merge that, I can show that actually this is how the entire system would be looking once.
No,
All right.
I was saying, like, if you don't mind, like, I was saying that if you could add a README file, like, writing down the all the steps, like, what we have to do, what are these
All right.
steps,
Regarding
like,
that, I
yeah.
would share that
Yeah,
files.
yeah. We can add.
So that would be really fine. That like those who
These
know the
files
things, yeah,
I
can
best assume are
start
already,
contributing.
yeah, yeah. I guess these files are already present if you once go to contributing guidelines, most probably, I guess. That how you are
Yeah,
required to,
they have given.
they had given, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
See, here you have got everything: fork a project, clone a project, add a remote, synchronizing your fork, everything like these are already present. But
Okay,
oh,
okay,
all
okay,
right,
okay.
no worries. I would still share something regarding this.
Then probably if you have made the demo
Akash,
one, so it would
Akash,
be like the same
what
only.
I was saying, like, let me share my screen once.
Yeah, yeah, all right.
1 minute.
Garvit, you are muted.
Yeah, I was just searching for your project like that. You made a clone. Yeah, I got it. I was just looking for that only. Yeah. So let me just present my screen. Cool. So guys, is my screen visible? Can any one of you confirm?
Yeah, yeah, it's visible.
Cool. So, like, see, this is our, when you are on a GitHub, you will be just like getting this kind of an interface. So starting from here, when you will be like going through the Akash project. So the one he had cloned, like you will be getting this thing. Everything is here. So everybody is getting this, like, just confirm once.
Yeah, I will just share that link once again.
Yes.
If of my
Yes.
record.
Yeah, just guys, follow up with me. Akash, could you share this link again?
Yeah, yeah.
See guys, for then after there, you have on a top right corner fork. You need to fork your repo to your account. Like I will be selecting my account. It's saying it's forking, few seconds left. Like when I will be forking this repo now, it will be showing here at the bottom fork from AKMO3 Winter of Contributing demo. Okay. So from here we are just like starting, and these steps here you guys need to follow if you are just like beginning with the open source. So after that you can see key branch is even, fetch upstream, nothing to merge and compare. My branch is like parallel with the Akash branch. So what we have to do, like if you are just like willing to fork this repo on your local system, just go to code, copy HTTPS, and you need to install a GitHub desktop. Like if you just go and search for
Uh,
GitHub
Garvit,
desktop.
can we just do one thing? Can we let them know that you can directly add through GitHub also? Just add the
Yeah,
files.
yeah, yeah. They can
That
add
would be the
directly to the
best
GitHub.
actually.
But if
That
they
would
are
actually
just
be the
like
best.
in a beginning step, or they are just like worrying with the Git commands also, they can just like have a GitHub desktop version. So when
Yeah.
you will be going to the GitHub desktop, you will be getting this interface. Okay. So from the top right corner, just click on files, clone repository.
Bhaiya,
That is.
your yes, bhaiya, your desktop is not showing.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me just like move to the entire screen.
Yeah.
Cool.
I know it is a bit complex for everyone, you guys. Initially at the starting phase, but don't
Yeah,
worry, we
like
all have
see,
gone
Git
through it.
commands are
We all have.
Git commands are really like little bit complex, but once you are like into moving into the contribution, now you will be getting familiar with this stuff. So once you are getting with the GitHub desktop, on the top right corner, you can just like clone repository, then click on the URL, paste your URL. You need to select your local path, like I have chosen my path, clone. So this will clone directly your entire repository to your local path where you have cloned.
BSNL है क्या?
No man,
Geo Fiber.
Geo Fiber sucks these days.
Yeah.
See guys, so you will be just like getting this kind of an interface. So everything is fine. Now here, what the branches we were talking about, here you can see the branch actually. Like no need to just like shifting and typing the git command to go to any branch. Just like go to origin.java where you are just like willing to have your stuff. Okay. So after this thing is ready. Fine. Now just go to Google, type Google Colab. You will
Yeah,
be
I
getting.
guess they have created the file, right? Let's not repeat the steps. If they
See,
had.
like after that, click on the GitHub wala system. Just paste that same URL here so that you might directly commit your things from Google Colab to your GitHub, like new notebook. So in that file only, it will be creating a Google Colab notebook. Like you will be getting this notebook. So if anything like you are doing here, first of all, you need to connect it to your local runtime host, or like you may just click on connecting. It will be taking a bit time so that your things might work easily. So it's now connected. Okay.
भैया
So you can just create a markdown
Garvit,
like.
अच्छा
just
भैया
wait a
एक
second.
सेकंड रुक जाओ ना, हम लोग वो पिछले वाला स्टेप कंप्लीट कर ले, उसके बाद फर्दर मतलब करें.
Okay, sure.
ओके, थैंक यू.
भैया I had a doubt. Right now you are in which branch?
Like right now, if you see, I am in Java branch. Like when you are using GitHub desktop now, here you will be seeing the entire branches.
So we do not have to check out anything, right?
No. That's why I moved with the GitHub desktop. Like when you are using terminal, you need to check out. But here the simple thing is that like you just select the Java branch, then you will be finding it in Java branch.
Okay.
And
Or we'll
the
be showing. Just
one.
wait. Yeah. Just go on.
And the most important benefit of this is like you can directly open your code editor, VS Code editor, and from directly you might just like see in the Java branch, README files. Here you know, I guess everybody knows like how to create a folder like
Put not find
Java demo,
organization or user. Alicia,
Java
you are.
demo. In Java demo, you can create a new.java file like new.java, and anything you want to do here. See,
अच्छा, it is showing in two options: to contribute to the parent project or for my own purpose. Which one I will select?
for your own purpose, bro.
Okay, thank you.
See, when you will create this file like new.java in the demo folder, you will be just like getting a message over out here. See, this is untracked changes.
Garvit,
Use
a
mention
lot
it.
of guys are actually asking how to connect to localhost.
I didn't got the point. Like for the Google Colab.
Yeah.
See, on the Google Colab, you just like 1 second. Let me just start the. Is the URL of that repository, or just like cancel it. You can just like go to the new notebook. Okay guys, one thing more before, like if you are committing anything from the Google Colab directly to your GitHub, now you need to organize your Google, authorize your Google Colab with your Git repository or your Git account. So then
Can
only
you
it will
also
be
do Git bash? Yeah, yeah. We are at the end. We are going to show the most easiest method actually. That how can we directly upload files using GitHub only? No need of downloading Git bash or
everything like
everything.
anything you don't need to download.
Yeah, we would
See,
first
like
complete Git desktop.
when you will
Yeah,
be clicking on connect here you will be getting connect. It will be automatically connected to your local host. It will be allocating the memory, and it will be just like taking 2 or 3 minutes time. Then it will be automatically connected. Like you can see the status here, initializing, connected, and a green tick like RAM, disk space, whatever the things it is using. And then from here you can just start with a text like hello people. Okay, so guys, if you just clear with this part like till here, anything to ask?
Excuse me, bhaiya.
Yeah.
So bhaiya, it is for like if we made any changes in this collab folder file, then it will automatically be committed in our repo, right?
No, that one only I was going to show. Like see, from here when you will just like click on the file section, you will have an option save a copy in a GitHub. Okay, when you will click on this first it will be waiting to authorize. So this is the step you need to follow. Okay, when it will be authorized, just like select your repo. I will be just like selecting the Girl Script Winter of Contributing demo. Okay, now here you can select your branch, Java, file path, like you can say Java demo and put a forward slash. It will be automatic Java demo, and in that basics. And you can like use any commit message. This is only for check. And like when you click on OK, getting a copy. Okay, see, when you will just like coming into this your forked repo, just like see, you will be just like getting Winter of Contributing demo, Java demo. In that Java demo, you got your basic IPyNB file. See, hello people, everything. So this is the most easiest step you guys may carry on. After that, if you are like facing any problem, or if you want to add any file, then just don't go anywhere. Just open this, fork this repo, add file, create a new file. If you are willing to create any folder, Java history / your file name, anything you want to create, like readme.md file I want to create, type something, anything you want, just like commit new file. Okay, so your new file will be automatically committed in the folder Java history. So once you are just like getting, you might see Java history. If you are willing to add any new file, like create a new file, like you type your name, like video.readme.
Vaibhav, what do you mean by step 1? Just wait, Garvit, a second. Vaibhav, what do you mean by step 1? Also, when we have to start contributing, we will let you all know when we start contributing.
I was trying to say that
Yeah,
in the Google Colabs, can you please share the step what you follow? I switch the screen. That's why I can't able to see the steps here.
yeah.
Okay.
In Google
So
Colab,
when you are in the Google Colab, na, like just add something here.
Garvit, just do one thing: download this file and upload this file through GitHub, not GitHub
They
desktop.
may also
Yeah,
do this, but why if they are having a feasibility of just like committing from here only? So why downloading once then uploading through
yeah.
GitHub desktop?
Just if it would, I mean, for the first step, initially they would not be like they would have to authorize things like the wait a second. I mean,
Guys,
initially, if you just start, you have
if
to authorize
anybody of you
GitHub.
are having a problem, like then do let us know.
So that would be a lot easier if we just download and upload the file. No need to authorize and things like that.
Like I'm waiting for your response, guys.
भैया
Anything?
All right.
one doubt, or can I ask?
Yeah.
या
Yes.
git bash का 1 मिनट बचा हुआ है वो मैं दिखा देता हूँ ठीक है
हाँ तो if you directly add a file or in GitHub only, so where do you add the commit message?
Like, see, if you are adding a file to GitHub only, no, like 1 minute. Like if you are adding video.readme file and you are just like I am just like pasting this link just
git
as
desktop
a
complete हो गया है जया
see. So here you are getting a commit message. So here you can type the description, here you can type the message like this is just for check. Okay.
yeah just wait guys for git bash I'm just completing it
And
at
commit new
most one
file.
step is I
So
mean left we just have to push
see,
output now
see, you will be just getting this is just for check and your things are in this only.
Okay, but so my says that we should not like prefer directly through GitHub because here the commit message is optional.
no
Yeah,
you have to put commit message if
you
you
have
don't
to
write
like
commit message it would insert commit message by its own but that is not a favorable commit message yeah
Yes,
we are
that's what
covering
I'm
git
saying.
bash guys just wait a second I think git desktop and git web is completed right
yeah.
these
See,
two are
once I will
completed
show again for that IPynb file, just like if you are clicking here, so
Different
you can
runtime
just
connect to local runtime.
yeah
just save this file. Save this file in a winter of contributing. Go to the Java branch. Then just like you can use your folder like any folder you want to create, or you might use any folder like Java predefined folder. Like I guess we had created only this. Like you can write any commit message here, and if you are like doing on it, it will just like automatically creating a copy, and Java history mein you can find your file. Hello people, hello world, both the things.
Bye bye भैया भैया
Akshay,
bye bye.
yeah yeah
can you just like create an issue so that we may show
yeah I
guys
created
that
I created yeah I created that I was creating
you
that
had
only
created
yeah
the issue.
So like bhaiya, we have forked and we have means made the changes to it. Then how we would that create the pull request and merge it with that same.
Yeah, that only, like we are going with that only. See, so now let's close everything, every stuff, and
just Garvit, just wait a second. Let me just show them about the Git bash. Just
yeah.
one step is remaining, so that we don't forget that at the end.
But yeah, is it compulsory to connect to local runtime?
No. Like, see, if you are just using markdown things, there is nothing to connect with your local runtime. It's only for the Python file when you are coding on, when you are working with the Python file. So it required a things to connect to your local runtime. Like basically
Yeah.
ipynb files are the Python files only. Like .py file and ipynb file, they are same files only.
Is it okay if I
Yeah.
just press connect there, right? It's okay.
Just press connect there.
For the git bash guys, you might have done until the commit, right? All the steps are completed. All we are required to do right now is that we are required to post the changes we have done in our local, that is in our own computer, to the server. So what we would write command is get push, right? Origin, the name of the branch. The name of the branch is Java, right? And then press enter. Now, since you remember, I have used HTTPS at the starting, right? I have not used SSH. So now what it wants me to write my username, I would write just simply that, and password. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
Window of contributor.get. Just wait a second. This should not happen actually. AKMO03.
Akash, I guess there is someone waiting in the meet. Could you just like check it once? They have messaged on the Discord.
All right. Sorry, my bad. No, actually, I'm not getting anything. Any request right now.
Okay.
Just wait a second, guys. Invalid password.
No, Alicia, it won't change for SSH.
Just wait. All right. Yeah. So technically, what I have done is I have prevented anyone from using HTTPS for my repo. But if you guys write your password, it would just send all the data to the server. Let me just
Akash,
change the
I'm not
remote
getting
ones.
this command. Like I've written get push origin Java, but I'm not
Yeah.
getting anything like username or password. It's
What are you
coming
getting right now?
It's coming like enumerating objects, then counting the objects, something like that.
Actually, Windows में नहीं, they don't ask in Windows. It just pushes directly, so no issues there.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah. So let me just change my remote ones. Let me see what is right now. All right. Yes. Now it has been here. Window of computing. This seems to be some error. I don't think it is a right command, but let's see. All right, it is right. Get remote tag v. Yeah. So get push. Since I have changed origin, there's nothing difference than that. Get push origin. And see, all my data that I have written is now sent here. So if I just see here, go to my Java branch, go inside Java, go inside history of Java, I would see two files that we have added. Cool. Everyone, we have covered Git Bash, we have covered, yeah.
Yeah, that you are now in Java branch in the terminal, and then you have pushed in it into that Java branch
Java,
and
yeah.
Java branch. But if I am in main branch in terminal, can I push the changes in Java branch?
Yeah,
Like
you
I'm in
can,
main branch.
but why would you like to push? I mean, concept of branches are just so that different things remain independent of each other. So
No,
you
no.
would,
In terminal only, I'm in main branch, but I want to push the things in Java branch. Like now in
yeah, you
terminal, it
can,
is
you
showing
can,
that.
you can, you can, you can totally can
Okay.
get push to the Java branch.
Bhaiya,
You
can
can,
I share my screen? I have one
yeah, just a second, yeah.
Okay, I'm sharing. So can you see?
Yeah, just wait. Alicia, I think I have shown to assist also now. You are not required to enter user ID and password if you are using that. Use cherry pick commands to commit. Yeah, you can,
So
but why is it required?
so I have done git push origin Java. Okay,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it has
and it shows that it have pushed everything. You can see
yes,
at the
yes,
end.
but I cannot see in GitHub. Like in my fork, if I go in Java branch, okay,
Yeah.
and Java folder, so my work is not there.
Can you just switch to the PowerShell once?
Yeah.
It is
Uh,
winter of contributing, not demo one.
Yeah,
Just to inform you.
yeah,
Akash Bhai also did it in Winter of Contributing.
yeah, and I have shown winter of contributing only repo. I have not shown a demo. Just change to I
I
think the
also
browser
refreshed
once.
by the way.
No, you have post to winter of contributing demo. You are
Okay, wait,
just
wait.
go and check out winter of contributing.
Okay, wait. Yeah, okay. Java. Okay, got it. My
Yeah.
bad. Yeah.
R1 actually we are not covering things like cherry pick, rebase, force reset and things like that. So we don't want to deep dive inside Git right now. All right. So things like these are completed. All right. Now, one thing which we would like to show you is that how you are required to commit, right? Bhaiya, please once tell to create. Yeah, we are showing that only.
We
Garvit,
are just on come.
can you just do one thing? I have created a issue. Just write like I am on it, comment I am on it, and send a PR from your fork to my, and I would show them how we would do the merge.
Okay, 1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute. 1 minute.
You are only required, Jadip, you are only required to do PR. The merging is done by the supervisors, or I don't think mentors don't have merging permissions. So you are only required to do PR, and if any changes they suggest, then do appropriate changes in that file. 58 guys are still sticking together with us. I think it is a great feat actually.
Akash,
Yeah.
we have to create our own branch or we have to contribute directly to Java, like while contributing.
Uh, you own branch. See what?
Like
Like all right.
whether we
Let's
have to
not make.
create another branch.
Yeah, no, you are not required to create other branch. If you want to create other branch for your like temporary work and then push those changes to your Java branch, that's also fine. Like
Huh.
if you are working, let's say, if you are working in a major organization, right? So what they would have a main branch, but you would never work on like for us guys, our main branch is Java, right? We are all required to PR to our Java branch. But what everyone like any experienced developer would recommend you to always create a new branch. Now you can always create a new branch by git checkout tag B and name of your new branch. Do all your work on that branch, and once you're sure that yes, my branch is that my work is quite good and I'm ready to merge, then I told Amit, right, to send to do post the code to Java branch, and you can similarly do post the code to Java branch from there.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yeah,
Sir,
Rohit.
I am a new member. Yes, sir. I am a new member of this group. of GWork recently joined last week, so I have no idea about how to do contribution, and so you can just summarize what we should do in just a short.
Yeah, let's just finish this part, right? We would cover you at the end. Garvit, are you ready with the changes?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
had you made the issue?
Yeah, I have made the issue. I think I have made
Okay.
a.
Okay. Yeah,
I think string tokenizer I
Tokenizer
have
one, na?
created.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and Pranav have commented. Very good, Pranay. All right. So technically, see,
Pranay
Pranay
has.
Pranay had. All right, I will create a new issue. No worries. Yeah. Uh, Java. Let's see my favorite reflection class.
You may assign that issue to Pranay only, and then he will be just like sharing his screen and showing everybody. Pranay,
Yeah, Pranay, can
are
you
you?
do that would be great. Pranay, turn on your mic, buddy. Almost done? What do you mean almost done? But added all the data. Yeah. No worries.
Like, but we need to show now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Screen. Just wait. I am not showing my screen currently because my screen doesn't. I mean, it doesn't makes any sense to show my screen. I would be in this case, I am the merger or supervisor. What we would like to show you is the perspective of a contributor. I would be getting a lot more options. That doesn't make sense. Pranay, just present your screen and add anything. I would remove that. That doesn't. Just 1 second. Bobby, right? When you had created and added contents to your Google Colab file, go to File and click Download. The IP and download in any format, IPNYB or .py, and then upload or do by any means commit those changes to your work. Yeah. See, guys, right now Pranay has done a comment. Right now, Pranay has done a comment, and he was the first one to do this comment. So what I would do is I would just go and I would. Sorry. Why did I assign myself?
Yeah, how Pranay came till here once? Can you tell this?
Yeah, Pranay, can you just show that? Yeah.
Bhaiya, the whatever changes that we made, that would be represented in issues. From there we can go and click on that.
No, the
Yeah,
issues.
Jaideep, see, 1 minute. Let me start from a scratch.
Yeah.
1 minute. Like, is my screen visible? Like you guys can see?
No, bhaiya, not yet.
You have to push all changes in Java branch. Yes, Jaya, you have to push all the changes in Java branch.
Garvit, the screen is not shared.
Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yes, bhaiya, now it is shared.
See, this is your forked branch. Like you can see forked from AKMO3 Winter of Contributing demo. So this is your forked branch. And like if you are in your forked branch, like what I already shown you guys, like see Java, and I have made these things like I have done this work, Java demo, Java history in my own repo, like the repo which I forked, Python file, readme file, video.readme file, everything. So when I will be going to AKMO3 Winter of Contributing demo, navigating to issues section, like you can see Java reflection class information. Okay, so when you are going here, you might type your message, I want to work on this issue. Okay, and like comment. So this will be commented. Now see, I have been assigned the issue. like in the participant section, you have been getting my name. So Akash, could you please assign this issue to me once?
Yeah. Which one? Reflection or
Yeah,
just
reflection classroom.
yeah.
So bhaiya, this assigning task would be done by the supervisors.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Once
that only we and Akash will be doing, like, just see.
So
So
means
now the
like
issue is
first
assigned.
we need to create a folder, then we need to raise a issue that I want to work on this,
No,
and
no,
then
you will be getting the issues. Like when you will be navigating to the issue section, na, you will be getting the issues here, like list of the issues we will be creating.
okay bhaiya. So
you are not
from
required to
Okay.
there,
create
like
issues from your
we
own.
we would comment that like I would or anyone else like I would want to work, and if you will assign, then how we will get to know that you have assigned it to us?
See, AKMO3 assigned Garvit Raj 22 seconds ago. Like you can see this message. Like after this is the entire history of the issue.
You can
So
go up also,
I,
and there is assignees. Just go up, scroll up,
ये
upside at the
वो तो
top.
ये
Assignees,
तो
you can see whom
assignees
I have assigned.
you can see here. So you can see
Oh,
also. Like
so
if
from here we would be making the changes in the folder.
yeah. So like if you have been assigned with this issue, okay. Now just navigate back to your repository. Like you have create like you got the issue. Navigate back to your repository. Switch to your Java branch. Like see, I have got the issue. Like then I will be just like working on a file. Create new file or Java reflection. I'll be just like adding only a readme file, simple Java reflection done. So coming here to the commit message, like I did my part and now commit file. Okay. So commit directly to the Java branch. So in Java branch, you will be just like having this file. Now you can again go to AKMO3, pull request. Now just click on new pull request. Okay. Compare across fork. When you will be clicking on this, select the base repository AKMO3, your head repository, like the one which you forked. Like from main, switch to Java branch because you need to do the stuffs in Java branch
Bhaiya,
only.
1 minute, can you
And
show this pull request one part once again, because I guess due to some network problem your screen was paused.
okay, so like when you are in the winter of contributing demo, go to pull request section.
Garvit, just pause for 5 seconds every time after you click because the screen refreshes after some time.
Okay, so when you are in the pull request section, like, is this visible? Now just head on to new pull request. Okay, so when you will be getting this type of an interface, so here you can see compare changes. Now you have to compare across your fork repo. So your base repository will be AKMO3 winter of contributing, where you are willing to merge your pull request. Of that, you are willing to merge your pull request in Java branch. And your repository from where you are contributing, like head repository, select your Garvit Raj winter of contributing demo. And in here also you have done the changes in Java branch. So just like move with the Java branch. Java branch. Now you can see 5 files changed. Like I have done the 5 commit, like initial information and everything. It's all showing here. So just like when you are creating this, create a pull request. Now Java branch, anything you want to type or you want to describe about something like on which tag you are working, you can just do it here. And now create a pull request. It will be just like creating a pull request. See, checking for availability, no conflict with the base branch, and your pull request has been clicked. Matlab, your pull request has been assigned. Now, if you are in the pull request section, you can see Java opened 5 commits, opened 17 seconds ago by Garvit Raj. So these all things you need to do, like just, and it will be like merge. See, when you are here now, you can see my photo here. Assignees, I have been assigned with the issue, and I have been working on this issue. So this is all. Like if anybody has anything or would like to say something, I would like to ask.
When we have to use pull request, Jaya, every time you want to send your code to the main branch, we have to do a pull request. When you just push your code, you are pushing your code to your own repository in your own fork. Now, from your own fork, you want to send data to our main repository. To do that, you are required to do a pull request. Pull request creation field, validation field, you can't perform that action at this time. This seems a bit complex. Vaibhav, just wait till the end of this meet. We would clear your
Akash?
query at that time. Yeah.
We have we have given a pull request, and like you have said that in this file you have to do some certain change, like just add a second, add a line. Like, but I have
Yeah.
just given a pull request. Then how I know
Yeah.
that you are saying that key add a new file or add a
Uh,
new
g-
sentence,
just
and
just wait.
then
Garvit, just present your screen.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Gaurav, Mali, your camera is on. Yeah. So let's say Garvit has added these files, right? And if I want to say that, let's say I want him to add more data on reflection. So I would do a commit, add more data. Or let's say I would do something more specific. Yeah. Garvit, just scroll down and you would see that I had done a comment in your pull request. In your pull request, we have
Yeah,
created.
yeah, 1 minute.
I feel I'm clear with how we need to contribute, but like, yeah, so you guys can see I have commented at line 27 that you need to add more sources, right? So you can see that which line I have commented on and what I want changes. Amit, is it clear that how we are going to comment
okay.
on that?
So we have commented, and I have just completed the work, and again I have to pull request it, or
No, 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 no. You are only required to commit and push the changes
okay, just
to
push
your
the
loop.
okay.
Yeah. Once you have committed and pushed the changes, and let's say everything works fine. So what I am going to do is I would just say reverse, and you are going to see something like this from most probably at least two reviewers. Right now I'm only reviewing. You would see that ACMO3 has approved these changes, and after this we would squash merging your issue. Yeah, which issue is it? Just wait a second. It's hash 4, right? Yeah, and at the end you are going to see that I have merged all the commits, and your pull request is now closed as I have merged everything. Cool.
Can you show it in the screen actually?
Yeah, I guess Garvit is required to show. Garvit, can you just refresh the page?
Reflecting already.
Garvit, just refresh the page actually. I have merged the PR.
1 minute. Okay.
Uh, Sneha, you are required to send all those in a Google Colab file actually. In a Google Colab file, you are required to add the links. But I would say that if you are working on if you are making something on audio video, why not just I mean add documentation also. Yeah, I know that you can. Oh, okay. Garvit, has he left the meet? All right. No worries. I would just present the screen once.
1 minute, let me.
We yeah, you can Yash, you can delete the fork and you can contribute again, or else if you are, I mean, if you are willing to dive deep into Git, you can just reset hard one commit back and and then push those changes.
Like guys, my screen is visible, like you guys can see.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, so when your commit will be merged, now you will be getting this kind of a message here. AKMO3 merged commit itna into Java 1 minute ago, and everything fine. So now when you will be just like going with the pull request, you can't see your Java 1 pull request here that I made. Two open, two closed. So when you will be clicking on closed one, you can see this one, this thing merged pull request. So that's
And
all
just
you need to do.
yeah. All right. So any more queries? What would be a pull request title format? Like other domains, we have specific title format for. Yeah, your title format should your title and commit format both should be same, and they should be related something like Java issue and then issue number and then the commit like adding reflection or adding the class or adding the info you are about. I'm just writing it in the comment. Adding yeah. Vaishnavi, I have I have written a comment. You can see that. So any more queries? I guess we are done right now. Now how
Actually,
to
yes.
contribute?
After merging, after the our issues has been after our file has been merged, that it will come a notification kind of thing that it has been merged. But when we came to our own remote repository, our own forked Vala repository, we'll see that the repository of upstream and both the origin will be same level, or will be there any difference in the level?
The branch you are doing a PR and the branch to I mean, let's say your source branch is your own folks Java branch, and your target branch is the main GWOC repos Java branch. So when your PR is merged, these both branches would be at same level. All right, only these two branches.
Okay.
If branches are not at same level, uh, you can go to GitHub and then fetch upstream, or you can do one more that you can pull. You can write a command git pull and the branch name. What this would do is to uh, pull all the changes from the remote, that is our main GWOC repo, to our local. It will focus on and then he will make changes. After that, he will have to send pull request and that supervisor will merge into major. Yeah, Rohit Kumar. Absolutely correct. Yeah, you can come in one commit only you can add multiple files. Or we need to create a folder and that put. See, technically, like you would not be required to create more than one file, because for each topic there would be only one file. unless if there are three different files, like one for documentation, one for audio, and one for video. In that case, we would be creating another folder. Then inside that folder, we would add those files. Other than that, you are not required to create more than one files and put them inside a folder. Am I clear, Bobby? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Please send today's session
The
summary on
one issue is
Discord.
assigned to only one contributor.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, if like if we are working on all the three at the same time, like if you had taken documentation, then audio and video would be free for someone else also. But if you are working on on all the three together, then that issue will not be assigned to anyone else. I hope I am clear with this. I have read document provided by Pranay, and they mentioned that video folder will be accepted via Drive link. Yeah, in let me just confirm this once, that how audio and video links are going to submitted. As far as we are told, just let me check once.
Akash,
Yeah.
I think other domains are accepting that readme.md file, markdown file, along with the IPNV
Yeah,
file.
then it's
PY.
cool. Then it's cool. Then if they are accepting
Because I
README file,
can,
then we are also going to accept README and Drive files. We
yes,
had no issues.
yes, I have seen that a lot of
From
branches, like in Python branch, they have accepted and merged the pull request with that MD file only.
yeah, then it's fine. Then I think I guess we are also going to
We can work
accept
with markdown file
Drive links
also.
also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some parts of document. Yeah, if Mentos asks to change some part or just do the change, right? You can do the change and then follow the same process. Add, track those changes, commit those changes, push the changes to your push the changes to your remote. The same will be reflected in your PR automatically.
Akash, I'm trying that git reset head.
Yeah.
So what happens is that if I want to go to a particular log, I can how to do that? I'm just moving above in head. I'm just doing git reset hard head.
Yeah.
Where
Yes. Let's meet tomorrow evening, right?
okay.
And in the voice channel, and I would show you how you can reset your Git commits.
Okay, no
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah. So how we will communicate that what changes we have to make. I think I had shown that we would comment, and you can clearly see in the PR that what changes are required. How we will need to choose topics. Is there any limitation? Yeah, at one point of time, you can at most be assigned for one topic. How will they communicate that what changes we have to make? Yeah, we have covered this. Mentos oxygen. Yeah, we have covered this also. So any more new doubts?
Like guys, if you are really willing to ask something, like you can freely ask. Like we are just
Or
like giving
if we
time
have
so that
left something for
yeah,
at the
yeah.
end of the
If you
session.
think like we guys have left something or
Bhaiya, from when we can start means take getting issues and start contributing.
Jadip, still our roadmap is not been approved. So once it's getting approved now, then we'll be just like getting,
Sneha, you have
oh,
presented your screen.
Bhaiya, I was trying to push my file in Origin Java, but I am getting processes are running in session, WPID, PID command and all, and not it's not मतलब ये जो मैंने पुश करा है वो ना शो नहीं हो रहा है नहीं किसी और रेपो में
like
किया
could you
था
just like
Uh,
your mobile screen is displaying, not your computer one. So just like could you please resolve that?
yeah just checking.
It is first come first serve basis, Rohit. The one who comes first and comments, he would be assigned that issue. But do not worry, we would be creating a lot of issues initially.
Pranay, are you done with the recording part, like the overall session? Yeah. Yeah, so could you please that share it on the Discord? Like from here we are having a doubt, so no need to record this part also.
Thanks, man, Pranay. Actually, none of our systems actually have this much space. At least my Linux doesn't have this much space.